Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 60 SE NXTpaper to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Now select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of TCL and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on NXTpaper, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then if you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in this white pop-up to continue. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And hit Receive button. Then wait. Following that, you need to close all ads. And as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!